Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new Pet Loadout feature in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, we'll be able to get new Pet Loadout feature. I'm going to click on this icon and these are my active pets right now. And as you can see, we will have 3 loadouts and then we can easily switch our pet. You can group your pet first guys. For example, I put my pet which has ability to give mutation on the second loadout. Okay, and I can easily switch my pet to the first loadout and I'm going to switch it. Wait, I'm going to click on this loadout. Okay, and in this loadout, I have 4 pets. And I'm going to switch it again. Okay, this feature is really helpful guys. So we can switch our pet easily within a group. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!